It's still a bit early to get my hands in the dirt, but the planning is done. In this video, I'm revealing the tomato varieties that earned a spot in my garden this year. I'm planting several new varieties to see how they handle the high-altitude sun and our specific setup. My goal this year is to have a balance of determinate and indeterminate varieties. I'm also experimenting with heat-resistant varieties. Let's start with the determinate and semi-determinate varieties. I am planting Punta Banda, Beefy Purple, Celets, and Marglobe. Punta Banda is a drought-tolerant and hardy cherry tomato that is ideal for arid climates and poor soil. It's an early maturing variety that produces red, thick-skinned, sweet tart fruits, perfect for snacking, salads, or sauces. Beefy Purple is a high-yielding variety that produces rich and smoky, mahogany-colored fruits with green stripes and deep purple flesh, ideal for slicing in sandwiches, maturing in 75 days and typically grows 2 to 3 feet tall. Celets is ideal for short-season gardeners with cool and rainy climates. Produces deep red slicing tomatoes. Set fruits without pollination. Matures in 52 to 65 days and grows 3 to 5 feet. Marglobe is a disease-resistant heirloom variety. Produces firm, deep red, globe-shaped fruits. Perfect for canning, slicing, or sauce. Matures 69 days and grows 3 to 5 feet tall. The new varieties of indeterminate tomatoes that I'm growing this year are 4th of July, Mountain Magic, Brandy Boy Hybrid, Super Beef Steak, Gold Medal Yellow, Pork Chop, and Caspian Pink. 4th of July is an early producing variety that matures in about 49 days, produces bright red fruits continuously until frost, perfect for slicing, grows up to 8 feet tall, and great for garden beds and containers as well. Mountain Magic is a highly productive, disease-resistant, indeterminate variety that produces crack-resistant, sweet red fruits in clusters and matures in about 70 to 80 days. Brandy Boy Hybrid is a high-yielding tomato that matures in about 75 to 78 days, produces large, pink, beefsteak-type fruits with soft texture and thin skin, perfect for slicing. Typically grows up to 8 feet tall. Super Beefsteak is a climbing variety that matures in about 80 days, produces 1 to 2 pounds meaty fruits with rich beefsteak flavor, perfect for sandwiches, and typically grows up to 6 feet tall. Gold Medal Yellow is a late-season variety that takes 75 to 90 days to mature, produces 1 to 2 pound fruits with exceptionally sweet flavors and vibrant fuchsia or ruby red streaks, cited as one of the best-tasting tomatoes, and grows up to 8 feet tall under optimal conditions. Pork Chop is a unique heirloom beefsteak tomato that takes 75 days to mature, produces medium-sized fruits with citrusy flavors. It is a true yellow tomato, known for having low acidity, and grows up to 10 feet tall under ideal conditions. Caspian Pink is a Russian heirloom beefsteak tomato that generally matures in 80 to 85 days, produces large, slightly flattened pink fruits that typically weigh up to 2 pounds, and grows up to 7 feet tall. I am also growing a compact variety this year called Rosella Purple. It is a dwarf, indeterminate tomato that has a stout central stem and grows to only 4 feet tall. It is a mid-season variety that takes 65 to 78 days to mature, produces medium to large-size fruits with a well-balanced flavor similar to Cherokee Purple. If you've grown any of these varieties yourself, or if you have a newcomer in your garden that's blowing you away, let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for the next best thing to add to the garden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we talk about the reliable classics that I can't live without.